I'm T-Pain from ImpatientProgrammer.net. This code works in Python 2.0 and 3.0. This is filter in 1 minute. Filter is a function built into Python that is meant to reduce some collection by a true-false condition, aka a boolean expression. Filter can take any collection like a list, dictionary, or whatever and tries to return a list. Here's a simple example. We're just printing out a list of what is returned from filter, which is just going to take in a lambda function to compare if the value is less than 5 through a simple range list. And we returned values 0 through 4. Python 2.0 returns a list, but Python 3.0 returns a filter object. This filter object needs to be cast as a list in order to use it. Let's look at a second example. Here we have a simple dictionary being created, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through every instance and see if every value in it is a string. And again, we're operating on a dictionary instead of list this time. And the results are 2 and 4, which are the key values that satisfy that string condition. I personally rarely ever use the filter function because list comprehension tends to make it a bit easier. So for instance, here I'm iterating through all of the items of the dictionary through the keys and values. I'm just grabbing the value and checking if the value is a string and then returning that key as part of a list. And it's actually a bit shorter than the filter function. So in conclusion, I rarely ever use filter just because list comprehension is more efficient and flexible. I'm T-Pain from ImpatientProgrammer.net, and keep the dream alive.